Welcome to Dubai Mall, the heartbeat of the city. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to take a walking tour from the parking area all the way to see the beautiful Dubai fountain. Dubai Mall is not just a place to shop, it's a place full of culture, stories and endless things to see. So let's get going. So as you enter Dubai Mall, you can feel the excitement in the air. Finding a parking itself in Dubai Mall is a huge task, and we parked at the Fashion Avenue parking. And I believe that's the closest parking to see the Burj Khalifa and the Dubai fountain. I have uploaded a video showing the directions to the Fashion Avenue parking. So if you are visiting Dubai Mall, please make sure you watch that as it will save you a lot of time. This mall is one of the largest shopping centers in the world, and it has over 1,200 stores. Yes, you heard that right. You could spend days here and still not see all the stores. Here you'll find high-end brands like Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Gucci, and their displays are absolutely stunning. Even if you're just window shopping, it's a feast for the eyes. For those looking to splurge, this is definitely the place to find something special that you won't find somewhere else. It can be quite tiring to walk around here, so be prepared to do a lot of exploring. Dubai Mall has wide walkways and beautiful decorations, and you can also hear people speaking in different languages from Arabic to English to Hindi and all the other languages. So this is what makes this place so special. And talking about diversity, as we walk through the mall, you'll notice an amazing mix of people around you. So we visited here on a weekday, and you can see the mall is not very crowded as you would find it on a weekend. We rarely visit Dubai Mall because parking. It's very difficult to find parking here. Once or twice we have just visited Dubai Mall and returned because we didn't find a parking spot. So this time we visited on a weekday and luckily found a good parking spot. Reason number 2 is Dubai Mall is expensive. Even though Dubai Mall offers a variety of options for all budgets, I still feel Dubai Mall caters more to the luxury market. So we visit Dubai Mall mostly for the lovely atmosphere and also to see Burj Khalifa and the Dubai fountains. So Sephora is here and mostly it's always packed. And as I was saying, one of the reasons we rarely visit Dubai Mall is because it's really tiresome to walk. So you have to make sure to wear comfortable shoes and also take breaks when needed. So right now we are on our way to see the Dubai fountain, and it's been just about 3 minutes. And honestly, we are not even tired because there is so much to see here and you're just busy looking at all the views. So in just about 4.5 minutes, we have almost reached the Apple store, which is near the Dubai fountain and the Burj Khalifa. So now here we are at the Apple store, and you can see how crowded it is even on a weekday. So we wanted to get a nice spot to watch the Dubai fountains, and we wanted to walk on the other side of the Apple store. And it was already crowded here. So we clicked some nice pictures and took some good videos of the place. And now we are walking towards the Burj Khalifa and the Dubai fountains. So there are shows every half an hour here. And just as we walked outside, we got to see this beauty. So we quickly walked and got a nice spot to view the Dubai fountain. And now it's your time to enjoy it. So we were there for about 2 hours and we watched a total of 3 shows and clicked some really nice pictures. We also watched the Dubai fountain dancing to Adele's Skyfall, and the video is uploaded on my channel and will be linked here. Do watch it because it's really beautiful. Also, if you are with kids, you must visit Kidzania. It's an interactive city designed just for children and they can explore a lot of different careers through their fun activities. It's very educational as well and it is a perfect spot for your kids. A detailed tour of Kidzania will be linked in my description below. Do watch it to get an idea about Kidzania. And now we are on our way to watch the Dubai Aquarium. It's just a 5 minutes walk from the Dubai fountain still here. And we are almost there. The Dubai Aquarium is one of the largest suspended aquariums in the world, and if you are feeling adventurous, you can even go diving here. So this was all about our visit to Dubai Mall. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. On my channel, I post videos about my life in Dubai. I also post about some money saving tips in Dubai. Let me know what you love about Dubai Mall. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and stay safe.